The planning for T5 and land preparation for Changi East began in 2014. Master Building Consultants MBC and Master Civil Consultants were appointed in 2020. The project was put on hold in 2020 for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2022, the development of the project resumed. The 2-year break provided MOT, CAAS, and CAG with the chance to reassess the T5 design and make it more modular, robust, and sustainable. The land preparation and drainage work at Changi East has been completed. Terminal 5 of the Changi International Airport in Singapore is being developed to meet the growing passenger traffic at the airport, estimated to cost approximately $10 billion. The project marks the biggest expansion at Changi Airport to date. It is part of Changi East development, which also includes the development of a 3-runway system and network of inter- and intra-terminal tunnels. The single integrated terminal will be bigger than the existing terminals at the airport. It will be built on a 180-ha greenfield site located to the east of the airport. Construction of the terminal is expected to commence in 2025 and be completed in mid-2030. T5 will be able to handle up to 50 million passengers a year in the initial phase of operation, increasing the airport's total annual passenger handling capacity to 135 million. The landside and airside facilities of Changi Airport's Terminal 5 will include the main terminal building, satellite terminal building, ground transportation center, cargo complex, primary landside roadway taxiways, aircraft parking stands, and other supporting aviation infrastructure. The terminal can operate as smaller sub-terminals when required and adapted for use during contingencies. The space within the terminal can be used for testing operations and to separate high-risk passengers. In addition, the terminal will feature contactless systems at passenger touchpoints to reduce the risk of transmission of diseases. It will be equipped with enhanced ventilation systems to increase fresh air and reduce the mixing of air. The project also includes the development of aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul facilities, roadway and drainage systems, and establishing connections for utilities, such as power, gas, fuel, water, and telecommunications to the T5 building. An 18 km long network of tunnels will be built to establish airside connections within T5, as well as between T5 and existing terminals 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the airport. The tunnels will allow for convenient movement of baggage, passengers, and airside vehicles. The project will also add more than 100 additional aircraft parking stands at the existing airport. T5 is expected to be a Green Mark Platinum Super Low Energy Building certified. It will feature solar panels, smart building management systems, district cooling, and thermal energy storage to decrease carbon emissions. It will also be able to handle alternative fuels, such as sustainable aviation fuel, as well as fixed ground power and cooling for aircraft parked at the gates. The Changi East project also includes the development of a 3-runway system. The airport is currently served by 2 runways, runways 1 and 2. To develop the 3-runway system, a 3rd runway will be extended from 275 km to 4 km to handle larger aircraft. The extension will create connections between Changi Airport Runway 3 and the airport's existing airfield through 40 km of new taxiways. It will also enable Runway 3 to facilitate safe travel for larger passenger aircraft. The project also includes the development of supporting infrastructure and systems for the operation of the 3-runway system. Funding for the Terminal 5 project will be provided jointly by the airport operator Changi Airport Group and the Government of Singapore. The project will also be supported by commercial revenue and aeronautical charges.